Vincent van Gogh, an artist with a burning passion. His fiery emotions gave birth to bold brushstrokes and a kaleidoscope of vivid colors. Just how up close can technology get with this masterpiece? The Pentax K1 measures the painting three-dimensionally. It captures even the finest textures and creates an ultra-high-resolution image. Image processing digitizes the uneven surface of the scanned high-resolution image. And then the masterpiece comes to life. First, base ink is used to create the uneven surface. Color ink is then used for a real-life finish. The protruding ink, brushstrokes, and texture of the canvas are expressed in high definition. Ricoh's touchable painting reproduction technology has recreated the masterpiece. Industrial printing enriches the lives of people. Ricoh will continue to fuse various technologies to create new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of inkjet to open new worlds.
Ricoh.